Okay, welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video we are going to talking about how to, before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button, so when I upload new video you can get notification, and also you are supporting the hustler at the same time. Now reboot your phone, press and hold on the power and turn off the power, the top. Wait till the phone is off 100%, till it vibrates. Also, okay, now let's start. 1. Press and hold on the power. Press power like 2 seconds. The power like 2 seconds. Before press the up volume. Press here like 2 seconds and press the up volume at the same time like this. Okay, let's start. 1. Power. 2. Up volume. Now leave the power when you see the screen light and hold on the up volume till you see this screen. Okay, how are you going to move this screen? Press up volume and the power like the same time like this. Not press and hold them, just press them like this. Press. Sometimes you must do this from 5 to 20 before it will come, so you just get patient to get successful job. I just press my own once it comes. So if you press your own once it didn't come, keep and press on it and press the down volume to move and use the power as okay. Select factory reset, wipe data factory reset and press power. Calm down, yes, and press power. Also check the link below the description or wait till the end screen and click on it to FRB bypass your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so when I upload new video you can get notification. See you again in my next video.